That is a mess of rocks. Oh, there you went. You alright?
Oh yeah.
Well, it doesn't mean you are every time. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are in the rough. My son Kevin is back behind me. We're on Fort Huachuca military base riding. We're in Garden Canyon area. So far, there's some pretty rough stuff up in here. Rough and just basically just so rocky is the problem. It's not like steepness or anything like that. It's just so much rocks. But it is beautiful up in here. We're in bear country. One, where did you say that road was? That sign was? Oh, that was the sign there. So that's all there was,
I guess so.
huh? We went both ways, so. One of those probably goes to that gate me and you come up to from the backside that time. Remember that?
Yeah.
Guarantee you one of them goes up there. I don't know where we're at, but because we're in that area. I don't know, but a couple people told me there is a ton of riding up here, but I mean, I ain't seen it yet, but maybe we're at the wrong, maybe it ain't Garden Canyon. Maybe
Well,
there's,
we ain't seen it because we don't know where the hell it's at. And this
well,
is
that's
a
what I'm saying.
military base, so there's some of it that's like a certain amount of it's restricted. So like one of these times before we like, one of these times we're gonna have to actually figure out where we're like all we can go.
Right. Be nice to go with somebody that lived here on base who rides dual sports that knows where they're going.
Yeah, no. Well, actually, that's actually a good idea. I can ask in that Facebook group and see.
Yeah.
I can probably even ask that one guy that I talked to and ask him, see if he might know.
Somebody that has rode here a lot and knows these trails. Not necessarily somebody with a side by side. We wouldn't be able to go where they go. Them suckers get crazy. Or I won't. I probably could, but I won't. I don't want to. I don't want to get too stupid. I'm stupid enough without trying to get stupid.
Crazy. After riding this bike for so long, I've adapted to this bike so much that like it's don't even really have to make line choices too much up and down hills. Like pretty much take about any line and it feels comfortable.
Oh yeah.
But back when I first got this thing, I was like picky on choosing lines because like uh some of them felt sketchy.
You wasn't used to the weight
Yeah.
and the height, the tallness of it, and the weight.
But 6,000 miles of riding just this thing.
Yeah. I got 11,000, basically 12,000. on this one.
Okay, now we go this way.
Uh-oh, there's a mud hole. This is the one that shows, like, it obviously goes up a mountain because it shows a real bunch of switchbacks on up here. So it may get gnarly.
Yep. And especially being on a military base where it's mainly where Humvees and stuff go.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's getting steep. We're just about to those switchbacks right up here.
Golly.
I don't know about this. Holy cow. This is the rockiest chewed up thing.
Pretty dang gnarly. Yeah, it looks like it just continues to get worse.
Holy cow. That is a mess of rocks. Oh, there you went. You alright?
Oh, yeah.
Well, it doesn't mean you are every time. I gotta get turned around here. I might go right there and turn around. Good Lord. This is steep. I can get took off here.
It ain't that bad through here, but it seems like it's going to just start getting rougher and more ledge rocky up there.
It does. Oh, what a mess.
Yeah, this right here ain't too steep. This ain't bad.
Yeah, the
You can
steepness.
tell it's about to get worse up there,
It's the steepness
especially if it's going to zigzag.
with all the rocks added in is the problem.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Watch your front brake down this dude. With all these rocks. Scotty would like this one.
Ooh. Yeah, going downhill ain't fun.
I just gotta let that front tire roll some. Maybe get over here. Whoa, nope, that ain't gonna help.
Man, that was an easy uphill going downhill.
Downhill.
Slick.
It's bad.
It's because all these it's a bunch of baseball-sized rocks. That's all it is, baseball-sized rocks that roll.
That's a mess. That is a teetotal mess.
Oh, yeah, I didn't turn my key off and back on.
Goodness gracious. I'll stop here and get a drink. Okay, we're gonna get back going.
Yeah, when we get down here and back in on like in the actual base territory, we'll whoa.
Yeah, watch it there.
Yeah, I kind of hit that rock. We'll try to see if we can't find an MP or something to talk to, because an MP would be the person.
Boy, it is definitely green up in here.
Yeah, it is.
Get up in these mountains.
Battery level is low.
But yeah, so apparently, before the military took it over, out here in these Huachuca Mountains, and you can see why. This is where the Indians used to camp out at, the Huachuca Indians.
Oh yeah. Using on that 230L, you just split that mud hole on a wheelie.
Yeah. Look at how cool that mountain looks.
Pretty wild. That's the crazy thing is too, there's springs all up in these mountains.
Yep. That's why it's so green.
Mm-hmm.
Well, part of it that, and because it's actually monsooning a little bit more this year.
A little bit, yeah. The mountains definitely getting more rain than we are.
Yeah.
We can watch it from the house, watch the Huachuca Mountains from the house, and it'd be raining up there every day, but and not rain down in the low-lying areas.
Some kind of a trail back there.
If you're scared of rocky stuff on your motorcycle, you don't want to be up in here.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Because you're probably going to end up on your head. Because it's a loose, rocky mess up in here.
It is beautiful this time of day out here in those
Yeah.
mountains. I just got a bug in my mouth.
And we're late. Heck, I was outside at 4:30 this morning. It's still dark. It's just fixing to turn daylight.
Yeah, I've been couldn't really sleep because I fell asleep yesterday for a nap. Forgot to set my alarm and I slept like 5 hours last night.
We're back to the road. Okay guys, I got a low battery, so we're going to get off here in this video. Thank you all for watching.
Oh,
Got lots
whoa.
more adventures on the way.
This brought us on the other side of that gate.
Catch y'all on the next one. Ride on.